Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can log out Facebook account from your PC. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook account or the browser that you have logged in, and then you have to do is simply click on your profile over here on the top right corner of your browser. You can see over here, click on this arrow, and then you can see over here a bunch of options over here. In this menu, you have to simply do is click on this logout option over here. Once you click on this, it's gonna be log out your account and give you over here this profile over here that you have recently logged in on this browser as well. You can simply click on this and it's gonna be login again. But for the course of the video, we have logged out our account from the Facebook on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.